First, you remove the power switch cover, with a flat head screwdriver, as shown in video. It just clicks from the back, then you can slide it from the top right. You can now remove the springs for more access. Then with a T10 screwdriver remove the two screws holding the PCB board. Once removed you can pull the PCB out and cut the wires from as close as possible to the PCB. Now you can prep the wires for the new PCB. Just strip them from the end. After you have prepped the wires, you can now slide the heat shrinks which are also included in our repair kits. Alternatively you can use electrical tape. Get the new PCB which can be found from our website. The new kit includes brand new PCB with new switch and new wires. Now just twist the wires from the PCB and Gtech together, one at a time, and cover with heat shrink or electrical tape. Push the excess wires down, and screw the two screws back. Put the springs back in place. Then the cover. Remember to put the left lug first then the right. Finish it by clicking the back of the cover. Test the Gtech and now it should be good to go. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. We also carry out the repair service. Please view our website if you don't feel confident in doing the repair yourself.